What's up, guys? It's March 27th, 2024. I think Bulls got the breakout EOD. That's pretty cool here. Oh, sideways price action again for most of the day. What is going on this month? I'm gonna remember this next year, March. Call it overlap month. Big gap up. No continuation. Almost past yesterday's high. This red line is yesterday's high, 50%. This faded red line is 50%, and this red line is yesterday's low. This green line is the 45-minute EMA, the 20 EMA. I never know how to say this. It's a 20, 45-minute EMA plotted on the 5-minute chart. This is a 20 EMA. Big gap up. Bar one, bear bar, bad for the Bears, bad for the Bulls. No follow through. Bulls are trying to get the breakout above yesterday's high. They failed. Get a very small leg two here. That creates a double top. Bears get the breakout. They go for measured move. That is met. They get follow through and they get another down here. First 6 bars of the day have overlap, but a little more bearish pressure. There's also a big gap up. Big up, big down. That's range bound price action, so that we can see sideways price action. Bears get a spike and channel here. We get the spike, pull back leg two, leg one, two, leg three, four, leg five. Bears trying to close below the gap and then eventually get to yesterday's low. Oh wait, this is yesterday's low. What am I doing? This is wrong. It's here. Okay. Why is it on? There we go. There we go. Okay, so yeah, it doesn't really change anything I was saying. This is yesterday's low. Bears try and get the close the gap, and then get down to yesterday's low. Channel, 5 legs, spike and channel. Bulls go for the reversal. They get a higher low right here. This becomes a head and shoulders reversal. They break out with a deep pullback. And the second leg up. This second leg up went sideways. Lots of overlap for certain number of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. About 50 minutes here. That's a lot of sideways price action. We've had a big down move, then we had a very weird pullback looking thing here. What I mean pullback is like just bulls are buying new lows and scalping into the EMA. So you can make money going short or going long as long as you were buying low and selling high. So something I just kind of popped into my head was the characteristic for a broad channel is when both sides can make money. And this may not look broad, but both sides are making money. So I guess this could be considered a broad channel. I'm gonna have to look into that. Because it's not physically, it doesn't look broad. You know what I mean? Like here, like this is kind of broad. Bulls are making money there. See, that's kind of like when I think broad, I think like very broad. But Bulls are making money and Bears are making money here, so it's same, maybe. So like one, pull back like two, pull back like three. 3 legs down for the Bears, make a wedge bottom. That's a really nice wedge bottom, honestly. And it's a double bottom. Like one, pull back like two, pull back like three. Double bottom. Bar 70 is a failed breakout. Bar 71 looks like the Bulls are reversing. A reversal is a form of a breakout. What's the market cycle? When we're ranging, the market cycle resets with a breakout, and when the Bulls got the breakout today. The market cycle is resetting with the breakout here. Here's the breakout. Bar 76 is the first pullback, is the first opposite bar, so that creates the first pullback, and now we're in the channel phase. What happens with the channel phase? We channel higher, and then eventually we go range bound, and we start testing these failed breakout levels. That's what I learned in chapter 7. I really like chapter 7, that last segment about finding targets on reversals when it is time to reverse. I'm not saying it's going to go like this. I'm not saying we're going to go like that and go like that, but whenever the market decides we're going to reverse, the right side will test the left side's breakout points. So that's cool. Leg one, leg two moves. So I want to do breakouts today. Here's a breakout, 2 R's met. Breakout, I'm gonna delete that. Bar two low, bar 1 high. Breakout is met right there. The bar 9 low. 1-to-1 with bar 5. Oh, wait a minute. Still 1-to-1. Let's see with bar 6. If you go from the low of bar 6, it's not met. If you go from like this as 1 bar, it's still met here. That would be a nice scalp. Then we have a channel face here. 5 legs down for the bears. And then we get a leg 1, leg 2, leg 3 move. That was sloppy counting the bulls. Kind of like a range bound. Kind of get trapped, but even if your stop is down here, you wouldn't get tagged out and you would get filled. It's up to you how you want to manage your trade though. Then we get another breakout over here. Today it was like, looks like more breakout measured moves instead of leg 1, leg 2 moves. Why did I pull from here? Because I was looking at this swing high. Top of bar 73. 2 R's met. Just going for bar 71 is range. 2 R's met. So there's lots of ways to do this, and breakouts, measured moves usually get met. Another thing we could do is just like if you wanted to wait for a fresh breakout, bar 75, 1-to-1 is met. But what if you want to wait for follow through? That's not met. Okay, so that's too big. What if you bought the low of 75, 76? Then 1-to-1 is met. No, wait, that's not right. That's not right. That's 1-to-1. You buy the low. This would be the low. So yeah, today looked like it had more leg breakout measured moves instead of leg 1, leg 2s. Where are we on the bigger time frames? We are going sideways. Looks like we're going to this EMA. Bulls want to close above this range and keep going higher. Bears want to get into the EMA. They want to break the support line, the trend line. They want to break the EMA and go lower. Or we go sideways or we go up. I feel like it's been a really rough month. I don't know why it's been super overlap sideways. We are getting at channel highs, maybe. I mean, how many legs? We've had many, many legs since the breakout. Leg 1. Those channel phase. Deep pullback, double bottom, and we've just been channeling higher. Alright, we look at how it's changing. When we were closer to the breakout, we were channeling for more. We were breaking out for more days, and then after we hit it a few times, the breakouts would break out sideways, break out sideways. Now it's breakout, super sideways, breakout, super sideways. So the market's slowly transitioning into something. Hope you guys are doing good, studying a lot. Pretty stoked to get back in the markets. I'm live again. I've been pretty much a month in purgatory. Is that even the right word? That's what it feels like. I think if that's the right word, that's what it feels like. Anyways, hope you guys are doing good. You just stop loss. Thank you for the support. I'm tired today. Okay, thank you guys. I appreciate it. Sometimes I do these videos at night, but I prefer doing them right when the market closes because I'm still fresh. Hope you guys are doing good. Super stoked. Hope we all get paid out. That's a heart. What about spider? Anyways, guys, I'll talk to you later. Have a good one. Bye. It's like when you leave a party, you say bye like 15 times. I don't really want to say bye, but I gotta say bye.